drawing. Can we do this? Of course we can. Do you remember this way that I used it here? We can do the same here. But this is an extra information, okay? You will got used to this way in grade 2, inshallah. So we have here 30 plus 50, right? That's what we will do. We will write tens here, ones here, and you just put this, okay? Here we have 0 plus 0 in the ones, which means, of course, 0. And what about the tens? We have 3 plus 5, which means 8. Now, can you see? It's the same answer, okay? Now, let's move to the next question. We have here 40 plus 20. Let's draw 40. 40 here we have how many tens? Good job, 4 tens. So we will draw 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here, how many tens do we have? We have 2 tens. We have 2 tens. So let's draw it. 1, 2. Let's count how many tens do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 tens, which means 60. And you can do the same like we did here. Now, let's move to the next question. It says, draw to show tens. So we are going to draw tens again. But this time, write the difference. And here when we read this word, the difference, it means it's the answer for addition number sentence or subtraction. Who can tell me? Yes, excellent. It's for subtraction. It's the answer for subtraction number sentence. So 90 minus 20. Let's do it and write how many tens. Let's do it together. Here we have 90, which means how many tens? 9. So we will draw 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. And we will take away what? 20, which means how many tens? 2 tens. So we will circle 2 tens. We have 1, 2. So we will circle those 2 tens. Cross them like this, make an X. And let's count how many tens are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 tens, which means 70. Now let's do the next question. We have here 60. How many tens do we have here? Good job, 6. So we will draw 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 tens. Okay, now we will take away or take apart how many tens. Can someone tell me? Amazing. Yes, 4 tens, of course. So we will take away 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will circle 4 tens and we will put an X. And let's count how many tens are remaining. 1, 2. So we have here 2 tens, which means 20. Okay. Now, let's move to Think Smarter. And we have here a problem solving, word problem. And as I told you before, this kind of problems is really so important because you have to be good in English. You have to understand the words, can read, understand the keywords, and know what is required. So let's do the steps together, okay? Now, Mike has 60 marbles. He gives 20 to Kathy. Kathy, how many marbles does Mike have left? Show your work. Show your work means here to draw. He wants us to draw. Now Mike has how many marbles? 60 marbles. So we are going to draw how many tens? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, he gives a 20. He gives a 20 means he took away. He gives away 20. So, we will take away 20, which means 2 tenths. And we will cross it like this or put an X. Okay? Now, how many marbles does Mike have left? Let's count together how many tenths here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we have 4 tenths. Which means how many marbles? I'm waiting for you. Good job. It's 4 or 40? I can't hear you clearly. Is it 4 or 40? Should I write here 4 or 40? Think. Take your time. Of course not 4. I told you before that if we wrote 4, just 4, it means 4 ones. Okay, so whether we write 40 or we write 4 tenths, but 4 alone, we cannot write 4 alone. It doesn't mean tenths, it means ones if it's alone. Okay, so we have to write here 40. So the answer is 40. Please take care of this point because this is so important. We cannot write just 4. We write whether we can write 40 like this, or we write 4 tenths. But 4, no. We cannot just write 4. Okay? I hope today's quick revision was so easy for you. I want you to revise all the concepts you have been taking the whole week. I hope you enjoy the weekend. Have a nice weekend. Stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye, and see you not next week, the week after this. The next week. See you. Goodbye. I'm going to miss you so much.